When you wake up to this, what do you want? Maybe you want a good cup of chai and some crunchy snacks. So I am going to show you this crispy rice save and how to make it. You see how crunchy it is. Ta-da! You can make that by frying glass noodles, and that you can get in any grocery store. I bought this one from Lidl. Enjoy this weather, and I want to ask for a favor. Please subscribe to my channel, because I need 1,000 subscribers before 20th of February. Otherwise YouTube will deactivate the monetization of my videos. So please subscribe, like and share this video, and comment if you want more suggestions, or if you have any question about your life in Germany, or career, or cooking. Have a nice day. Bye bye.